Hey everyone! Welcome back to another video. Today, we're ditching the paperwork and diving into something fun, earning money while studying abroad. Whether you're craving an extra slice of pizza or fancy exploring the coolest museums, we've got tips and tricks to keep your wallet happy and your adventures going. So, buckle up, global student gang, and let's explore the money-making world abroad. Can you work while studying abroad? The answer is yes. However, there are a few factors to consider. The main thing to verify is whether or not you are legally allowed to earn money while studying abroad in the country of your choosing. Since this varies from country to country, and from nationality to nationality, your best bet is to research the terms of your student visa, or perhaps tourist visa, in your study abroad destination. Here are ways of getting a job while studying abroad. Many educational institutions offer the chance to work as part of the school staff. While student visas can be restrictive regarding jobs off campus, you can very well get a paid working experience within the campus. Such jobs include school tour guide for visitors and new students, administrative support, tech support, working in the library, research assistant. In most cases, your working hours are limited to about 20 hours per week, but you will be paid for those hours, and it's a great way to earn money while studying abroad. This is an ideal way to ensure you have the flexibility of time to also focus on your studies. Online platforms like Upwork or Fiverr are great ways for you to publicize your skills online and get contracted on a per-project basis to work at your own pace without compromising on your grades. If you already have working experience, or if you're already currently employed, check if your company has branches and offices overseas where you can work while you're abroad. Although you might not technically be making cash money, you can offset your living costs by participating in service exchanges. This is where you work in exchange for accommodation and food provided. Such programs tend to be in the hospitality or agriculture industries, so this is a great way to also get real-world working experience and pad up that CV of yours for the future. If you are able to work abroad while studying in your host country, you can witness, learn, and be a part of cultural exchanges you would have never experienced back home. This is a great way to broaden your horizons and work together with local people abroad.